Hello, dear subscribers. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can download or how you can install YouTube application on your iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to the iPhone, the standard application called Apple Store. Further, you need to search box enter the word YouTube. After that, we click Get. If you've ever installed it before, you'll just have an icon like I have. You click on it and install it. You may need to enter your Apple ID, which is your password, or you can confirm it with your fingerprint or Face ID. YouTube downloads like this. It all depends on what kind of mobile connection we have. If it's good, it will be installed literally in 30 seconds. If it's not so good, it depends on the internet. It may take a minute, it may take 2 minutes. But as you can see, it's installed very quickly. So we can see live. When we go out, it's downloading like this. And now let's wait until the end while it's downloading. After that, let's go in. I'll show you how you can log into your account. Look, it's loading like this. You have to wait another 8 to 10 seconds. After that, we open this app. We already have YouTube recommendations. And here we can log into an existing account or just watch videos without your profile. You scroll through, and as you can see, video clips appear. You can watch them. If you like this video clip, subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Bye, everybody.